Ro, for giving this opportunity. I'm very, very excited. I know every project that you share with us, or it was amazing. Actually, this Green Protocol, I just joined this one. That was, I think, a few days after you joined. It's just July, few weeks ago. But the same as usual. My team right now is so excited. They're growing and growing and growing every day. But anyway, before anything else, to those who don't know me, my name is Coach Darwin. I'm based right now in the Philippines. My background is I'm into actually I'm a computer programmer, no. But was 20 years ago. I never use my profession anymore because I believe that when you are stuck in a job, GOB, just overbroke, you don't become rich. Okay, so I have a mentor there that if you want to become a multi-millionaire, just do business. Now, right now, so I just 20 years ago, I started to do what you call multi-level marketing. I was there for 30 years, more than 30 years, and then I was so amazed in this new technology right now, which is in the blockchain technology. So I just started this one a few years, and I was so amazed because imagine at the comfort of your home using your cell phone, and you can conquer around the world using this technology. Now the Green Protocol is a game changer because this is a straightforward, no? Because if you engage in the trading, in the spot trading, in the investment, in the ROI, but this one is straightforward. All you have to do is you just to participate the community, and then you get paid passive income. So imagine that we have salary here that lifetime. Okay, so I was so amazed, Johnny, because one of the program of this Green Protocol is a metaverse, and we will use this one in the future, our community, and also they become also the one wallet here. I was use this one in my program before, but this wallet has many unique features. There is one feature that crypto farming, and then we have crypto ball trading, crypto gaming, and then also fake currency ecosystem, and then crypto exchange. And imagine one wallet give you multi solutions. So that's one of the project of this Green Protocol. So Jenny, I know that everyone as here anywhere around the world, this is the only beginning of our journey. So this is the first event that we have here in the Green Protocol. So I know you and me and all of us are very excited, and let's rock and roll the world. Thank you so much, Johnny.
Thank you, Coach. All right, I think that